Troubleshooting an LG refrigerator that is leaking from the water filter.
Water leaks from the edges of a water filter cover panel in the top corner of the fridge.
If your LG refrigerator is leaking from the water filter, around the water filter, or if you see water in the bottom of the refrigerator, we have a few troubleshooting steps that can help you resolve the issue, often without a technician.
An LG water filter canister.
Water filter leaks are generally caused by a non-LG filter being used, or a filter not being installed correctly.
A person inserts a filter into a horizontal filter slot in an open fridge door. They insert it into the mount at an angle and twist it to tighten. An LG water filter canister has the red LG logo on the wrapper.
Always use only genuine LG water filters, which can be purchased at lg.com/us/refrigerator filters. Be sure to follow the installation instructions with the LG filter, or watch our video linked in the description.
A person opens the top corner water filter cover panel, inserts the filter into the mount at an angle, and twists it.
Make sure the plastic cap has been removed from the filter prior to installing it.
2 black rings are on the end of the filter under the cap.
Also check the O-rings at the end of the filter to see if they are stretched, cracked, or seated incorrectly. Please note that when removing the filter from the filter mount you need to turn it counterclockwise, and when installing a new filter you need to turn it clockwise until it locks into place.
They remove and insert filters by twisting them.
Do not pull out or push in the filter without first turning it, or the filter mount may be damaged.
The white plastic housing mount is cracked.
Also, check the filter housing for cracks or other damage. If the housing is damaged, the refrigerator will require repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text lg.com/us/support. Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, email, and phone icons. Text: This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information and product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact lg.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021. LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.